guys, so this is what I have bought. This is a parcel from Amazon. So what is there inside? So let's see. So let's open it up. Can you guess what is there inside? Can you guess what is it? Again, we have to open it up and let's see what is it inside. Can you guys guess what is it? So it's a mobile Poco M7, which I've ordered from Amazon. So here you can see mm, here you can see it's large display. You can have Snapdragon 5G processor, 50 MP Sony camera, and battery power is 5160 mega mAh. Well, 33-watt charger in box, and we will find 18-watt fast charging. Okay, and this is side fingerprint option is also available. So let's see. Well, another cell is there which I have to open up. Let's see. So this is, it's so slim, super slim, and it's looking good. It's looking good. This is it. The color is beautiful, ocean blue color. You can see. Charger, 33-watt. This is 33-watt charger, and you can see this USB cable here inside. And anything else? Let's see. Okay, well, nothing else. So this is a charger, the cable, and this is a mobile. You can see. I hope you all like it. So this is the color, the ocean blue color, and it's really very good. You can you have seen the processor. It's Snapdragon, and side fingerprint option is also available. Okay, well, I will meet you next time. Thank you.